So, I'm going to start a video lecture on carburetor. कार्बोरेटर के ऊपर हम एक वीडियो लेक्चर जाने दे रहे हैं। कार्बोरेटर होता क्या है? कार्बोरेटर दैट सप्लाइज द फ्यूल एयर मिक्सचर टू द इंजन। ठीक है। कार्बोरेटर इज सेड टू बी ए हार्ट ऑफ द पेट्रोल इंजन। इट इज द हार्ट ऑफ ए पेट्रोल इंजन. To understand the function of carburetor, we shall first study a simple carburetor. A simple carburetor as such is not used in vehicle. Simple carburetor तो आजकल outdated हो गया. Actually carburetor itself is outdated nowadays. अब carburetor की जगह पर हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं MPFI system. Now working of simple carburetor. Carburetor चूँकि लिखा हुआ है BTech के syllabus में लिखा हुआ है, so there should be some knowledge about the carburetor also. The function of a carburetor is to atomize and meter the liquid fuel and mix it with the air as it enters the induction system of the engine. है ना? कार्बोरेटर का मेन काम है पेट्रोल को मेजर भी करता है, वो मेजर करके तब भेजता है वो एयर के साथ. मेंटेनिंग अंडर ऑल कंडीशन ऑफ ऑपरेशन फ्यूल एयर रेशियो सुटेबल टू दोज कंडीशन. फ्यूल एयर रेशियो जो होता है वो हमारा जैसा रिक्वायरमेंट होता है इंजन का उसके हिसाब से ही भेजते हैं. ऑल कार्बोरेटर्स आर डिज़ाइन अकॉर्डिंग टू द बर्नौलिस थ्योरम. बर्नौलिस थ्योरम के अकॉर्डिंगली डिज़ाइन होता है कार्बोरेटर. दैट इज वी स्क्वायर, वी जो है वेलोसिटी है, इज इक्वल टू 2gh, वेयर वी इज द वेलोसिटी इन मीटर पर सेकेंड. वी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2gh. ये वेलोसिटी जो होगा आपका v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2gh. ठीक है. वेयर v इज द वेलोसिटी इन मीटर पर सेकेंड. ये बर्नौलिस थ्योरम, बर्नौलिस लॉ के साथ है. बर्नौलिस लॉ के हिसाब से ये जो हमारा कार्बोरेटर होता है, v इज द velocity in meter per second, g is acceleration due to gravity, and h head causing the flow in meters of height or a column of fluid. Head causing the flow in meters of height. Head causing the flow in meters of height. ठीक है. ये हमारा फार्मूला जो है वही अप्लीकेबल होता है इसके लिए, जो कि बर्नौलिस थ्योरम कहलाता है. तो v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू √2gh होता है, वेयर v इज द वेलोसिटी इन मीटर पर सेकेंड, g इज द एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी, फार्मूला हमने लिख दिया बर्नौलिस थ्योरम का, and h is the head causing the flow in meters of the height of the column. Now equation of the mass road flow is given by m is equal to 1 upon rho a under root 2gh. मास फ्लो रेट अगर देखेंगे तो दिया जाएगा m is equal to मास फ्लो रेट के हिसाब से अगर देखेंगे then m is given by 1 upon rho a under root 2gh, under 2gh मास फ्लो रेट के हिसाब से. ठीक है. मास फ्लो रेट के हिसाब से ये हो गया आपका m अपॉन रो 2gh. ठीक है. So, in continuation of the carburetor, I have just explained you अभी हमने एक्सप्लेन किया कार्बोरेटर के बारे में. So in continuation, I have just explained you about the mass flow rate. इक्वेशन हमने बताया आपको m is equal to 1 upon rho a under root 2gh. ठीक है, where rho is the density of the fluid. Rho is the density of the fluid. Okay, a is the cross sectional area of the fluid stream in meter square. a जो है वो एरिया है मीटर स्क्वायर में. In simple carburetor, F is the float chamber for the fuel. Inside the float chamber, a float is fitted with needle to open or close the petrol port. A float is hollow, lightweight and airtight. A small box made of tin metal, sheet or plastic. Float जो होता है वो प्लास्टिक का हो सकता है, tin metal sheet का हो सकता है. It is attached to the float chamber through an arm hinged at the chamber wall. The fuel is supplied under gravity or by fuel pump. Fuel जो होता है fuel pump या gravity के through supply होता है. The fuel enters the float chamber through a strainer S. When the fuel reaches a particular level, the needle valve closes and fuel supply stops. When the fuel level drops in the chamber, the float comes down. Consequently, needle valve opens the fuel supply and the chamber is again filled with the fuel. Okay? Thus, the float and the needle valve maintain a constant fuel level in the float chamber. M is the main jet from which the fuel is spread into the air stream as it enters the inlet manifold P. When the inlet air passes through the venturi R, its velocity is increased due to narrow passage, which creates a low pressure at the main jet and causes the fuel to come up in form of fine spray. The fuel particle in the spray get mixed up with the air and mixture enters the engine cylinder. The fuel level is always maintained slightly below the outlet of the main jet when the engine is not operating. Okay? मतलब उसका लेवल जो है हमेशा थोड़ा सा नीचे करके रखते हैं फ्लोट के लेवल से. As the piston moves down in the engine cylinder, suction is produced. Suction produce होता है. जैसे piston नीचे चला, तुरंत suction आपका produce होता है in the cylinder as well as in the induction manifold, as a result of which air flows from P and carburetor jet. The velocity of air increases as it passes through the neck of the venturi arm, and pressure decreases due to conversion of portion of pressure head into the kinetic energy. Due to decreased pressure at the venturi, and hence by virtue of difference in pressure between the float chamber and the venturi, the jet issues fuel oil into air stream. Since the jet has a very fine bore, the oil issuing from the jet is in the form of fine spray. जो जेट जो होता है जिसके थ्रू fuel जो होता है वो वेंचुरी के पास आता है वो फाइन स्प्रे होकर के आता है. It vaporizes quickly and mixes with the air. This air fuel mixture enters the engine cylinder, its quantity being controlled by the movement of the throttle valve. है ना? तो ये जो जेट के थ्रू एयर आता है वो आपका पेट्रोल के साथ मिक्स होता है और that is being controlled by the flow rate is being controlled by the throttle valve. Now limitation of a simple carburetor. Limitation भी इसके बहुत से हैं भाई. Although theoretically the air-fuel ratio supplied by a simple carburetor should remain constant at the as the throttle goes on opening, actually it provides increasingly rich mixture as the throttle is open. This is because of the reason that the density of the air tend to decrease as the rate of flow increases. है ना? जैसे rate of flow increase करता है तो air की density जो होती है वो कम होने लगती है. During idling, however, The nearly closed throttle causes a reduction in the mass of the air flowing through the venture. As such low rate of airflow, the pressure difference between the float chamber and the fuel discharge nozzle becomes very small. It is not sufficient to cause fuel to flow through the jet. है ना? अगर नोजल का during the idling, however, the nearly closed throttle causes a reduction in the mass of the air flowing through the venturi. As such, low rate of airflow, the pressure difference between the float chamber and the fuel discharge nozzle becomes very small. It is not sufficient to cause fuel to flow through the jet. इसकी वजह से fuel जो होता है jet के थ्रू flow नहीं हो पाता है. Okay? Carburetor does not have any arrangement for providing rich mixture during starting and warm up. है ना? जब हमको स्टार्टिंग करना रहेगा गाड़ी को तो हमको उसमें तो रिच मिक्सचर चाहिए होता है, लेकिन कार्बोरेटर जो होता है वो रिच मिक्सचर प्रोवाइड नहीं करता है. चाहे गाड़ी वार्म अप करनी हो या स्टार्टिंग करनी हो तो उसमें हमको रिच मिक्सचर की जरूरत पड़ती है जो कार्बोरेटर नहीं कर पाता. इन ऑर्डर टू करेक्ट दिस फॉल्ट, number of compensating devices are used for controlling speed and load. Compensating devices are used for controlling the speed and load. An idling jet is used which help in running the engine during the idling. एक अलग से आइडलिंग जेट यूज किया जाता है क्योंकि कार्बोरेटर जो है स्टार्टिंग में और जब आपको मैक्सिमम स्पीड है उसमें ऑयल का फ्लो बढ़ा नहीं सकता है, तो इसके लिए एक अलग से आइडलिंग जेट यूज किया जाता है विच हेल्प्स इन रनिंग द इंजन ड्यूरिंग द आइडलिंग. चोक अरेंजमेंट इज यूज फॉर स्टार्टिंग. चोक अरेंजमेंट करने से पेट्रोल का फ्लो ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. ऑल दिस फीचर्स आर इनकॉर्पोरेटेड इन सोलेक्स एंड एसयू कार्बोरेटर. सोलेक्स कार्बोरेटर बहुत फेमस है, इटालियन कार्बोरेटर होता है ये. इसमें अरेंजमेंट बना रहता है जिससे कि आप उसका फ्लो रेट जो है वो फ्यूल का फ्लो रेट जो बढ़ा सकते हैं. डिवाइसेस फॉर ईज ऑफ स्टार्टिंग. अब क्या क्या डिवाइसेस है? Some extra devices are provided on the carburetor such as choke. Choke is provided on scooter and motorcycles for quick and easy start. हमेशा दिखते हैं ना जब गाड़ी स्टार्ट करते हैं कभी कभी आप जाने में तो पहले चोक लेते हैं, चोक खींचते हैं एक वायर को आप, जिससे कि पेट्रोल का फ्लो जो होता है वो बढ़ जाता है. It is a butterfly valve or choke valve. When operate, it chokes the air passage and a slight vacuum is created at the jet, due to which extra fuel is issued out and make the starting mixture rich for easy ignition. जब आप चोक लेते हैं तो क्या होता है, उसके वजह से एयर सप्लाई जो है वो रुक जाती है, कम हो जाती है. और जब एयर सप्लाई कम होती है तो पेट्रोल जो होता है, पेट्रोल एयर मिक्सचर चूंकि उसी फ्लो से बाहर जा रहा है तो वो उसका मिक्सचर पेट्रोल जो है वो ज़्यादा जाता है और रिच मिक्सचर जो है आपके इंजन में जाता है. Tickler. Some carburetor, a spring control pin is provided on the float chamber. When pressed 2 to 3 times, it strikes the float, which then sends extra quantity of fuel to the jet, which makes the mixture rich at the time of starting of the vehicle. है ना? Trickler एक डिवाइस है जिसके थ्रू आप मिक्सचर को रिच करते हैं. Air fuel mixture. The theoretically correct mixture of air and petrol 15:1. Thus, the uniform supply of such mixture would result in burning without leaving excess of the air fuel. है ना? Thus, uniform supply of such mixture would result in burning without leaving excess of air and fuel. But it is difficult to get such a mixture in actual practice. When there is insufficient air, some of the fuel goes unburned or simply change to carbon which deposit in the combustion chamber. अगर एयर की क्वांटिटी कम होगी, फ्यूल की क्वांटिटी आपकी ज़्यादा जा रही है 15:1, 15 टाइम्स एयर 1 टाइम्स फ्यूल. अगर फ्यूल ज़्यादा जाएगा तो क्या होगा, वो अनबर्न रह जाएगा. अनबर्न रह जाएगा तो क्या होगा, कार्बन डिपॉजिट होंगे वहाँ पर. When there is too much air in the mixture, it brings slowly and erratically there is loss of power. तब अगर एयर ज़्यादा ही है, ऑक्सीजन बहुत ज़्यादा है, फ्यूल नहीं अवेलेबल है, तो भी आपका पावर जो है वो प्रॉपरली डेवलप नहीं होगा, प्रॉपर पावर डेवलप नहीं होगा. There is however a range of mixture between which combustion will take place. Lower limit is approximately 7 is to 1 to 10 is to 1. 7 part of the air, 1 part of fuel, or 10 part of air, 1 part of fuel. This mixture is barely explosive. It is called a rich mixture. है ना? It is called a rich mixture. The upper limit is approximately 20 is to 1. The mixture burned irregularly. It is called poor mixture. 20 is to 1 मतलब एयर बहुत ज़्यादा है, ठीक है, तो ये पुअर मिक्सचर बनेगा। ऑफ कोर्स ज़्यादा एयर दोगे तो फ्यूल की अवेलेबिलिटी कम रहेगी, ऑक्सीजन ज़्यादा रहेगा, तो ये आपका पुअर मिक्सचर होगा। और रिच मिक्सचर कब होगा? जबकि फ्यूल ज़्यादा है और एयर सफिशिएंटली कम है, तो रिच मिक्सचर कहलाएगा। The above limit will also vary with the characteristic of the fuel, the shape of the combustion space and the temperature and pressure in the combustion space. ठीक है? Now mixture requirement of automotive engine. अब कैसा मिक्सचर आपको ऑटोमोटिव इंजन में रिक्वायरमेंट है, ठीक है? फॉर एवरेज क्रूजिंग स्पीड, नॉर्मल जैसे चल रहे हैं, ऑर्डिनरी हम लोग जो चलते हैं रोड पर, द एयर फ्यूल रेशियो इज फ्रॉम 15:1 to 7:1. 15 से 1, 15 एयर 1 फ्यूल और 7 फ्यूल 7 एयर 1, इसके बीच में होना चाहिए। In order to obtain maximum power, to be able to accelerate the engine quickly, a richer mixture of the petrol ratio or a richer mixture of the ratio of about 12:1 is desirable. ठीक है? अगर बहुत ज़्यादा आपको एक्सेलरेट करना है गाड़ी को तो रिचर मिक्सचर लेना चाहिए 12:1 का। दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड मैक्सिमम पावर रेशियो। टू स्टार्ट द इंजन फ्रॉम कोल्ड, इवन ए मिक्सचर richer than this but above the lower limit is obtained. ठीक है? For maximum economy, less fuel consumption for unit power, the mixture ratio may be approximately 16:1 or 17:1. This ratio, however, entails some loss of power. Okay? Hence, it is essential that the carburetor should be such designed that proper proportion of air and fuel are obtained to meet the varying operation condition of the vehicle. Some of the commercially used carburetor are being described below. अब कितने टाइप के कार्बोरेटर होते हैं उसके बारे में। सोलेक्स कार्बोरेटर सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट कार्बोरेटर है, सोलेक्स कार्बोरेटर, ठीक है? सोलेक्स कार्बोरेटर वो मोस्ट वाइडली यूज्ड। सोलेक्स कार्बोरेटर सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ किया जाता है, बहुत वाइडली यूज़ किया जाता है। तो सोलेक्स कार्बोरेटर के बारे में बता रहे हैं, बोलना चाह रहे हैं। द प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग ए प्रॉपर एयर फ्यूल मिक्सचर इन एसआई इंजन आउटसाइड द इंजन सिलेंडर इज नोन एज कार्बोरेशन, है ना? जो पेट्रोल एयर मिक्सचर आप बना के रेडी करते हैं भेजने के लिए इंजन के अंदर, तो वो बनाने का जो तरीका होता है उसको बोलते हैं कार्बोरेशन। The device used for this purpose is known as carburetor, और carburetor जो होता है इसको इस पर्पज के लिए यूज किया जाता है। Solex carburetor is the most common type of carburetor which is used in the petrol engine, especially in Fiat and standard car. Solex carburetor जो होता है Fiat वगैरह में पहले बहुत यूज, Fiat गाड़ी तो वाली बंद हो गई है, उसमें Solex carburetor ही यूज होता है। It is famous for easy starting, good performance and reliability. This is also provided with the basic jet requirement. This is also provided with the basic jet requirement for starting and normal running. In addition to this, it is also provided with separate idling jet and accelerating jet. A simple diagram, ठीक। अब स्टार्टिंग जेट क्या होता है, इसमें सोलेक्स कार्बोरेटर के अंदर के जो पार्ट है, the unique feature of Solex carburetor is the provision of by-starter or progressive starter. By-starter or progressive starter. Starter value is in the form of disc with hole of different size. These holes are connected to the petrol jet. ये होल जो होते हैं पेट्रोल जेट से कनेक्टेड होते हैं. The air from starting is also supplied over the starting disc. The mixture passes in connection is connected to the downside of the throttle valve. The quantity of fuel supplied through this disc depend upon either bigger or smaller hole which are opened in the starting passage. The starter level which rotates the starter disc when operated by driver. The hole are opened in the starting passage. At the beginning, very rich mixture is used by bringing bigger hole to open the starting. And as the engine gains the speed, then smaller hole are brought in contact to the required richness of the mixture is reduced. After the engine has gained the rated speed, the starter level is brought to off position. है ना. स्टार्टर के लिए जो पोजीशन होती है उसको फिर बंद कर दिया जाता है जब हमारा फ्यूल एयर मिक्सचर जो है वो काफ़ी बढ़ जाता है. Then compensation jet. With the increase in speed, the main jet as well as compensating jet deliver more fuel and mixture becomes richer. The characteristic of compensating jet for making the mixture rich decreases with a very short period as throttle opening increases. ठीक है, compensating jet बहुत थोड़े समय के लिए यूज किया जाता है. The characteristic of main jet and compensatory jet, इसका फिगर मेन जेट और कंपनसेटरी जेट का फिगर कुछ इस टाइप से होता है. ग्राफ जो है कंपनसेटरी जेट और मेन जेट का जो ग्राफ है वो कुछ इस टाइप से होता है. कंपनसेटरी जेट और मेन जेट का जो ग्राफ होता है वो इस टाइप से होता है. एयर फ्यूल रेशियो, और थ्रॉटलिंग ओपनिंग. ठीक है, दिस इज लाइक दिस एंड दिस इज लाइक दिस. ठीक है, कंपनसेटिंग जेट. ये हो गया मेन जेट. कंपनसेटिंग जेट और मेन जेट. ठीक है, ये ग्राफ इस टाइप का होता है आपका. तो compensating jet, with the increase in the speed, the main jet as well as compensating jet deliver more fuel and mixture become richer. The characteristic of compensating jet for of making the mixture rich decreases within a very short period as the throttle opening increases. The discharge from this jet will take place only when depression between the econostat, the float chamber, econostat body is sufficient enough to lift the metered quantity of petrol through econostat jet from the float chamber up to the injector jet in the buster venturi, up to the investor jet buster and main jet. Another feature of this carburetor is a provision for of buster venturi in addition to main venturi. The fuel from the main jet is supplied into the buster venturi. During suction stroke, air is passed through the buster venturi where the air velocity becomes very high so that the fuel injected from the main jet is sprayed in very fine particle and is mixed quickly with the air entering into the engine cylinder through inlet valve. Idling jet. A rich mixture is required for idling jet. In Solex carburetor, a separate idling jet is provided. A fuel connected connection from the main line leading to main jet is taken and opened downside of the throttle valve through the air screw. Fuel is drawn and mixed with air coming in through an air screw and is supplied to the engine. The volume control screw controls the flow of the air and also controls the richness of the mixture supplied with the high accuracy. ये सब parts हैं आपके Solex jet Solex carburetor के different parts हैं. To ensure the to ensure the smooth transfer from the idle circuit to main jet circuit without occurrence of the flat spot, a bypass or fish towards venturi side near the idle jet is provided. As the throttle is wide open, the suction near idle jet decreases, but the suction is applied now as bypass, which then affect the loss of the suction at the idle port, and thus flat spot is avoided. Flat spot is a no charge gap between the spray stream. Accelerating jet. For achieving sudden speed rise, a separate acceleration pump is provided. Whenever acceleration pedal is pressed, an extra fuel is supplied through an accelerating jet. When the pedal is released, it takes up by the spring provided in the accelerating well. This causes little vacuum in the accelerating well and this causes little vacuum in the accelerating jet and the main flow chamber admit the petrol accelerating well and pushes it through a duct into the main venturi and such the vehicle gets a sudden speed rise. सडन जो स्पीड राइज करते हैं उसके लिए हमारा एक्सेलरेटिंग जेट लगा रहता है, ठीक है, जिससे कि हमारी स्पीड जो होती है वो सडन राइज करती है. नाउ एसयू कार्बोरेटर, अभी हमने सोलेक्स कार्बोरेटर देखा, अब एक अदर टाइप ऑफ कार्बोरेटर जो होता है वो एसयू कार्बोरेटर होता है. अब वो एसयू कार्बोरेटर की क्या खास बात होती है? इट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ कांस्टेंट वैक्यूम कार्बोरेटर. इट इज अ कांस्टेंट वैक्यूम कार्बोरेटर. It employs a single jet of variable type in which a needle operates. The area of the throat of the carburetor is varied by means of a piston which slides up and down. The SU carburetor has been shown. In this carburetor, the area of venturi continuously remains varying by up and down movement of the piston attached with the needle valve. The needle valve moves up and down inside the main jet to regulate the supply of petrol into the entering air. The upper body which houses the piston is connected to the atmosphere through a hole. When throttle valve is partially opened, the piston stays in its down position and narrows the venturi. The incoming air during the stroke of the engine takes out more petrol from the main jet starting or idling. When throttle valve is fully opened, the inside air, the piston is also drawn out through an air vent made in position which creates a partial vacuum above the piston. The atmospheric air lifts the piston in the suction chamber, thereby increasing the area at venturi and allowing more air to pass. ठीक है? The needle valve regulates the quantity of petrol spray according to the load of the speed. ये दूसरे टाइप का कार्बोरेटर है. When the accelerator is operated, the throttle valve is opened and more petrol passes through the opening and mixes with the incoming atmospheric air in the venturi throat. The taper form of needle is carefully made to give the required mixture strength during the different operating conditions. By changing the needle valve and adopting a suitable one, the same carburetor can be used on different engines of varied horsepower to some extent. The main advantage of this type is rapid response during acceleration, and hence this type is fitted in racing car and in general in some of the scooter and motorcycle रेसिंग कार वगैरह में इसको ज़्यादातर यूज़ किया जाता है इस टाइप के कार्बोरेटर को. मल्टी कार्बोरेशन. Most engine with 8 or more cylinder are provided with dual carburetor. Dual carburetor use करते हैं. In this there is only one float chamber where there is two venturi tubes and two throttles. At times, two or three separate carburetors are synchronized to give the engine a balanced fuel supply. There are engine having 4 barrel carburetors. 4 barrel carburetor use किए जाते हैं. Development of carburetor and design. In conventional carburetor, air fuel ratio vary from plus minus 5 over the operating range. In actual running condition, in multi-cylinder engine, cylinder to cylinder air fuel ratio also changes. In recent year, quite a good number of improvement in carburetor design have come up. The aim is to achieve first metering of an exact quantity of fuel air requirement for combustion at the different speed and load. Second, vaporizing the fuel. Third, mixing it with the air for delivery to individual cylinder of the engine. Two latest carburetor are sonic carburetor, sound से related है. Its aims is to improve fuel atomization by increasing the velocity of the air at the throat. It has following advantages. इसके फायदे क्या हैं? Excellent atomization of the proper mixing. Very small negative power required. Improved fuel economy and very large reduction of air pollution. Air pollution भी नहीं होना चाहिए. Then ultrasonic carburetor. In this carburetor, the fuel atomizing function is performed by the mechanical agitation of the ultrasonic driver mounted in the throat to break up the injected fuel spray. It is more durable and has independent from ambient temperature for cold starting along with all the advantage of the sonic carburetor. ठीक है? Then atomization of fuel. Atomization क्या होता है? When fuel leaves the carburetor jet, it is more or less in the form of stream. This stream in turn apart from into the ligaments. These ligaments break up and contract to form a tiny drop of various size. This process is called atomization of the fuel jet. These fuel droplets must be properly vaporized to the maximum extent in the inlet pipe and manifold itself. Atomized fuel is spray from a perfect gas when mixes with the air. It depends upon the following factor. किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा atomization? Density of the fuel पहला, दूसरा surface tension of the fuel दूसरा, third relative velocity of the fuel and air stream. The degree of atomization is a function of relative velocity squared. Now vaporization of fuel spray. Vaporization fuel spray का कैसे होता है? It is the process of changing liquid atomized fuel into vapor. The vaporized fuel well uniformly mixes with the air and burned effectively. To vaporize the fuel spray, following method of heating inlet manifold are employed. First, outer surface of inlet manifold is heated by exhaust gas or by hot cooling water. Second, by contact of hot walls of cylinder head and piston head. Third, mixing the fuel with some residual gas inside the engine cylinder. And fourth, by heating of the incoming air. Fifth, by compressing heat of the air oblique charge in diesel engine heat of compression atomizes the fuel injection. Now down draught and up draught carburetor. ये भी देखो दो टाइप के carburetor हैं, down draught and up draught. Most of the carburetor are of two types, to downdraft type, in which fuel mixture is drawn in a downdraft direction in the induction manifold, and for this air enters through the top of the carburetor. Downdraft carburetor are kept above the engine level. Updraft carburetor were used in some of the earlier engine in which air enters the bottom or side of the carburetor and air fuel mixture leaves at the top. It can be installed low at the side of the engine, but accessibility to it will be less for the adjustment or repair. At the same time, this method does not permit petrol entering into the cylinder when starting it. As the updraft carburetor is kept at low level near the engine, it is likely to become too hot and will result in excessive vaporization of the fuel loss. Fuel loss इसमें हो सकता है. Advantage of the low draught system. Number one, fuel flow is unopposed. उसमें fuel flow होता है बिना opposition के चलता है. Next point, a large intake manifold can be adopted. If a manifold of larger cross section is used in the updraft type, the suction effect will be considerably less. Suction जो होगा उसका काफी कम होगा. The location of the carburetor above the engine spares it from engine heat and fumes. Next point, the air which enters the carburetor is cooler. Then the carburetor is more accessible for inspection and adjustment. Troubleshooting. When engine performance is not satisfactory, trouble can be located by careful investigation. It should be remembered that automobile troubles of any kind can be relegated to one of the following categories. Some mechanical troubles are easily found as they can either be seen or heard. Electrical trouble often result in complete stoppage of the vehicle without any advance warning. While the troubles in the carburetor are often preceded by splitting and misfiring before the engine finally stops, the electric trouble can be immediately checked by removing the spark plug and testing it for the spark. If good spark are obtained at the plug, it is probably that the system is in the order and electrical trouble may be ruled out. Next, systematic checking. अब systematic checking कैसे करेंगे? When the trouble has been located in the carburetor, the first step is to make sure that the fuel reaches the carburetor. सबसे पहले carburetor में fuel पहुंच रहा है कि नहीं पहुंच रहा है. If not, check the fuel supply line, fuel pump and the petrol tank. If necessary, the defect in the carburetor are mainly due to the dirt entering the system with the fuel or air, or it may be due to incorrect adjustment. A carburetor should be serviced only 5,000 miles or 8,000 mile-kilometer on following point. क्या point है उसका? The petrol pipe should be checked carefully. Petrol का pipe बहुत ढंग से check करना चाहिए carefully. The filter should be removed and washed with petrol. All passages in the carburetor be cleaned by petrol and compressed air. When it is found necessary for overhaul the complete carburetor, it should be done only by an experienced mechanic with the necessary tools. Tools वगैरह भी उसके पास रहने चाहिए जिससे वो कायदे से उसको maintenance कर सके. Disconnect the carburetor from the engine and fuel lines and dismantle it as far as possible completely and wash it in petrol until all the parts are clean. By blowing out with compressed air, possible grit that may be present can be removed from small holes. When the parts are reassembled, use new gasket and replace worn out part if necessary. Flooding. Flooding in carburetor due to the flow of petrol from the main jet. The cause are as follows: too much petrol pressure in the float chamber on account of fuel pump or relief valve sticking. Improper fitting of the carburetor. When the jet level is below that of float chamber, natural flow of fuel takes place. Then damaged float. When the float is punctured in it may sink and the level of petrol rise in the float chamber, which will cause flooding. A new float may be used, or for temporary adjustment the hole may be soldering कर देते हैं. Engine hunting. This is phenomena in which the engine runs in a series of surge and speed of the engine fluctuate intermittently. It can be rectified by adjusting the slow speed of the air screw. उसको हम air screw के through जो है speed को हम सही कर सकते हैं. popping back. Popping back through the carburetor occurs due to explosion in the carburetor. Explosion नहीं होना चाहिए, तो burst कर जाएगा, टूट जाएगा. It may happen due to the weak mixture or a burnt or sticky wall. Weak mixture हो या burning हो जाए, sticky wall हो तो उससे हो सकता है. That's all for today. That is the your carburetors video lecture on carburetors. Okay. Then control